as we all know that the major project of Wikimedia is actually Wikipedia. But I think the speed at which Wikidata is coming up, because as at November, we made about 1 billion edits on Wikidata, which Wikipedia has not even gotten very close to that. So you can see that the speed at which Wikidata is going is far, far ahead of other sister projects. Simply said, Wikidata is the next big thing, because data itself is the next oil in the world. So we can easily click into that now before it explodes. So once we are familiar with what it's about now, so when it explodes, we will be ready to key into whatever is coming up in the future. So I'll be sharing my slide.
Okay.
Right now. Okay. Can we all see my screen?
Yes. Yes, I can see. Yeah.
Hello. Can we all see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
So before you start, Sam.
Basically,
yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to the query at all. I just want to share a part of my screen.
Yeah. But before you start, let me make them understand.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
So if you are joining in, this is another Wikimedia project called Wikidata. It's different from Wikipedia. Wikipedia is all about editing articles and writing articles. But this is a different Wikimedia project called Wikidata, where you can fetch some accurate data from in real time. So that we don't mix it up. This is Wikidata. Okay, Sam, you can continue.
Okay. So I get that. So that means basically all the people we have on this call, most are just been introduced to Wikipedia. Am I right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. I will go slowly on that there.
Yeah.
So as Shoots rightly said, what we have on Wikidata is structured. Let's say, for instance, if I should ask you to give me the lists of University of Nigeria Nsukka graduates that turn out to be a governor, you can go on Wikipedia or on Google and start searching for that. I can bet you'll be on that for more than a month. Yet, you wouldn't get that list because they are not structured there. So what Wikidata is all about is, okay, all these things, let's put in a structured manner so that whenever somebody wants to query or look for this, they can easily get that list of past graduates of University of Nigeria Nsukka that turn out to be a governor or a senator in the future. So you can easily get all this on Wikidata. So it's just a database where you can get structured data. Simply put, where you can get structured data. So I'll bring down this my slide because of the audience I'm having. Let me just bring this down, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll just make it a live session there. So first and foremost, what is Wikidata? For me to start, I will try. I don't know. Let me check this live screen now.
You can share the live screen. The live screen.
Yes, that's what I'm doing now. Coming. Present now. Moment, please. Sorry, can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can see your screen now.
Hello?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay. So let me quickly go to wikidata.org so that this would be more or less like a a live session and a workshop at the same time.
Yes.
To the next one. So if you already have a Wikipedia account or don't need to start creating a new account for Wikidata. The same account you have on Wikipedia will work on Wikidata. But if you don't have an account on Wikipedia, you have to create a new account on Wikidata. So you can see this. So a snapshot of what we have there is already here. It says the free knowledge base with 93 million data items that anyone can edit. What this is simply telling you is that anyone can edit, just like Wikipedia. Anyone can add items to it. Anyone can edit. That just simply is the truth about that. It's not different from Wikipedia, except just some little nitty-gritty that is there. So if you don't have an account, you have to create an account. Okay, let me just log out. I already have an account. You have to create an account, just the same way I think Shooks must have explained to you how to create an account on Wikipedia. You create an account and you follow the prompts. So I already have an account. I won't be doing that. I will just log in. So I will just log in. So for us to see how structured data looks like, let's think of anybody that has an article on Wikipedia. I don't know. We can suggest anyone. Do you have anyone you want to suggest? Hello.
Anybody can suggest anything.
Yes, just suggest anything. Let's try to be interactive.
Okay.
Suggest the name.
Okay, we can use Buhari.
Buhari.
Okay.
Buhari.
Yes.
Buhari. I don't know why you picked Buhari anyway. Buhari, Muhammadu Buhari. I think we have so many Buharis here. Muhammad. Okay, I think we have him here. So the same way you search for an article on Wikipedia, just come to the search part of this, search for the person, for the item. So anybody we have here, any page you have in here, you call it an item. So going forward, I will just be using the word item. So Buhari here is an item. What is an item? And this next part of it describes everything about this Buhari, just a short description of it. We have this. The description is 7th and 15th president of Nigeria. And the alias, GMB, PMB, Baba Buhari, Bubu, Baba Goes Blue, and the rest. These are the aliases. And his name in English, this is it in English. I think in Igbo, they have the same. In Yoruba, they have the same. I think the description in Igbo, we have Onye Isiala Nigeria. I don't know how to say it.
Nigeria.
So I think I think I got that right anyway. Thank you. So you can, this part of it, you can also edit just the same way you are editing on Wikidata. So you see this, I'm trying to edit now. This Buhari here. If I know any other alias that Buhari has, I can add it to it. I think, can we have any other alias that they call Buhari again? Aside from this one I say.
Baba Bubu.
I think some people call him say Baba also.
Yeah.
Say Baba. Yes, I can say Baba is there. So I'm editing this part now. Say Baba. So once you have done that, you publish it. This counts as one edit.